Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the electrical box of the AFARCO Mini PnP v3.1. The enclosure of this electrical box is entirely CNC machined from aluminum. This side will feature the connection ports and the pneumatic hose connection port for the vacuum pump. At the back, we'll have the power jack and the product information. And on this side, there are the ventilation holes. On the front, we'll feature a USB port and a power button in this location. This is the memory card slot used to store the configuration files and the machine setup files. Inside the electrical box, there will be a control circuit board. This control board comes with an integrated driver system. Therefore, we only need to connect the motor directly to this control board. We use 3 stop input ports and 5 MOSFET output ports. This vacuum pump is for component handling. This pump operates very smoothly on 24-volt DC power. The control board uses an LPC1769 microcontroller. We use the TB6600 power chip for high efficiency. With 6 driver boxes, each will include 1 port for the X-axis, 2 ports for the Y-axis, 1 port for the Z-axis, and 2 ports for N1 and N2. All connection terminals will be broke out to help make the wiring tighter. According to the design, we use a 24-pin connector to link these two locations together with only a single wire. And it's very neat. This design is optimized for space, ease of use and operation and maintenance. Simply plug in the power and start using it. With the meanwhile 24-volt, 350-watt power supply, we will have a switch at this location. When you are using 220-volt power and want to switch to 110-volt, you just need to flip this switch and vice versa. If you need any further information, please contact us. Thank you.